Sam Ojimojo. I'm a businessman with major stay in agro-business. My company name is SOAS Field. SOAS Field International Company is paying attention to buying produce from farmers and taking it to the market and making sure that the chain continues. Well, we're trying to do something that will outlive us. It has to be a going concern. We have studied it, we have gone to school, but that doesn't make any change. The challenge still remains there. And those who has come in to solve part of the problem, to give us the market because of our location. Our location is in the northeast of Nigeria, somewhere called Taraba, far away from where the main transaction takes place. Transaction usually takes place in Lagos. Now, I think Zoacell is coming in to solve that. They are creating a platform where we can easily have access to this market. But again, that doesn't solve the entire problem. The major problem is still there. You don't buy produce from a farmer who has labored on the farm on credit. And even when you buy on credit based on relationship that you've had over the years, for how long can the farmer wait? The major buyers who are there in Lagos want to buy your produce and keep it for 60 to 90 days. Well, we hope that Zoacell that is helping us to create this market should also be able to help us mitigate this time frame, because the difficulty in it is with this kind of transaction, I cannot do another transaction again until that particular sales is paid. Now, how long can the farmer wait? At times, farmer usually needs money. And not just the farmer usually needs the money, even as an organization, I need money. I need money to foot my bills, I need money to take care of staff, I need money to pay for this rent. If we cannot get a mitigation, a kind of organization to stand in between us and this blue chips company, it makes this business difficult. Because you go to the farmer, gather all their grains, and you use the Zoacell platform and give it to the big company. They hold it down for 60, 90 days. How do we survive? More to it is that once that happens, you cannot do any transaction. You cannot go back to the farmer or to the farmers association to get more produce. Because they'll tell you the one you collected the other time you have nothing. So if Zoacell comes in and opens this platform for us, beautiful. But we also need them to go extra mile. Help us with the funding. Help us to stand between us and these big buyers, so that when these big buyers take produce, possibly Zoacell can pay us off, so that we can go back and do the business, the chain continues. But if that is not possible, it's difficult. It's difficult. I'm not a kid. I have family to take care of. Some of my staff have family to take care of. And you don't put men to work without being able to foot their bill. So we are advocating, all right? We cannot force Zoacell, or we cannot force the banks. Even the banks are not even supportive in the first place. But since Zoacell is coming on with this beautiful ideology, we are also saying that if they can go the extra mile to stand in for us where we need these funds immediately, so that we can pay the farmers, pay our immediate bills, business continues, we link up them with the market that we have created, and they collect their money. And that goes a long way to help the chain to flow. It makes business easier, and it makes us want to continue to do something in Zoacell. But we are actually hoping that Zoacell will be able to solve this problem. Yes, they are solving one by creating a platform which will get the market, yes. But the other one of funding, the finance is not there. For instance, if this blue chips company is looking for a trailer load or 10 trailer load, no farmer association or no group of farmers will give you 10 trailer load without solid deposit of money on ground. But you see, as a small company, we don't have that capacity. We don't have that capacity. Yes, because we've been doing this for years, we have built a relationship. But you see, a relationship can only soar if funding is involved. sincerely, funding is involved. So that relationship can be beautiful, especially with farmers. Farmers must buy chemicals, farmers must buy seeds, farmers must till their farm. They need funds for all this. And when we collect their produce and tie it down in a factory somewhere with a big marketer for 90 days, it's difficult. So we hope, so as well, we hope you can do this. We hope you can solve these major challenges, because these challenges is what is keeping us in this small office. We are of age, we're supposed to have grown bigger, but we don't have the funds. We don't have the funds. So now you are creating market for us. Yes, also help us to create funds, help us to stand in between these big marketers, so that tomorrow when you come here, we don't have to host you in this small office. We'll host you in a better place, and we'll be glad to do business with you. So this is SOAS Field International Company. Yes, you might say in this your small office, we are international. We know where we are going to. It might only tarry, but we're going to get there. So I don't know.